Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy A40 to remove the screen lock. As you can see, there's a screen lock here and we don't know the pattern, so to get rid of it we need to access recovery mode. To do that, instead of powering off normally, we'll forcibly shut it down by holding power key and volume down. Immediately when the screen turns off, switch from volume down to volume up while still holding the power key. The screen goes black, you switch to volume up and then you can let go of the keys. Now we're in recovery mode, where we use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power to confirm. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm it with the power key, then select Yes to confirm. You'll see a message at the bottom, and when it completes, select Reboot System Now and confirm with the power key. Let the phone reboot. It will continue the reset in the background and take a bit longer to turn on, so be patient. Once the Android setup screen is visible, I'll guide you through the setup. As you can see, the process is finished and there's no more screen lock. Choose your language, and you can set it up as you like. Connect to the internet, set up your Google account, and choose whatever settings suit you. The phone is fully unlocked, the reset is done, and you now have access to the home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.